Hi everyone, I hope you're all well, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a round macrame hanging using two colours. There are DIY kits on our Etsy store that include everything you need to make these hangings. We will use 6 pieces of beige cord to start off with that are cut to 100 centimeters. Make 2 lark's head knots on the dowel by folding the cord in half, pushing it towards the back of the dowel and pulling the ends through that loop. On the right hand side, skip the first cord. Take the second cord under the third and over it again further down. Now pull the cord through the gap, tighten it and repeat it again with the same strand. When you have 2 knots with the same piece of cord, this becomes 1 double hitch knot. Make 1 more double hitch knot with the next cord. To make a lark's head knot with 1 cord, pass the cord over the dowel from in front and pull it towards you through the gap. Now pass the cord over the dowel again from behind and through the gap away from you. Tighten the knot and make a lark's head knot with an extra piece of cord. Now working in the opposite direction, skip the first cord and make double hitch knots towards the center. After 2 double hitch knots, take a piece of the second colour and make a reverse lark's head knot. To do this, fold your cord in half, and instead of taking the cord from above like a lark's head knot, pass it from underneath and pull the ends through the loop. Finish the row with 2 more double hitch knots. Make a lark's head knot on the dowel like we did on the left hand side. Add another piece of cord by making another lark's head knot. After the first cord, make 3 double hitch knots towards the center. Take a piece of cord of the second colour and make a reverse lark's head knot on the holding cord. The holding cord is the cord that is running through the knots. Complete the row with 5 double hitch knots and a lark's head knot on the dowel. Add another cord and make 4 double hitch knots after the first cord. Make another reverse lark's head knot and make 8 more double hitch knots to finish the row. Take your last piece of beige cord and make a lark's head knot for the last row. Skip the first cord and make 5 double hitch knots before adding your last piece of your second colour to the holding cord. Make 10 more double hitch knots and a lark's head knot to finish off. Now you can separate and comb the cord, then trim the ends to one length. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching.